Hey there, we got these dock bumpers. Let's open them up and check them out.
This is a 2-pack of black boat dock bumpers. These are engineered for extreme durability. These boat bumpers for docking are made from premium 5mm high-density PVC with reinforced ribs. The UV-resistant and corrosion-resistant material withstands harsh saltwater environments and temperature changes without hardening or cracking to ensure year-round defense. Included is everything you need for a secure installation right out of the box. Each 2-pack comes with 8 premium stainless steel screws and washers. Mount them permanently to either wood or metal dock surfaces without worrying about rust or buying extra hardware. Setup is simple. These boat bumpers have all been pre-inflated. But if the inflation is still insufficient, please proceed just to inflate the bumpers using a standard needle valve. Air pump and needles are not included. Once inflated to the desired size, position them on your dock edge and secure them with the provided screws. The ergonomic curved arc contour gently guides your boat into the slip, minimizing friction. These boat bumpers measure exactly 15.4 inches by 6.5 inches by 5.3 inches inflated. These dock edge bumpers fit perfectly onto both floating and stationary docks. These permanent dock bumpers mount directly to your dock edge, creating a reliable continuous barrier that protects your boat hull and dock structure from collision.